This is the latest massive dagaba built in Anuradhapura, which looks exactly like a twin of the Ruwanali Seya. This young stupa which I will be visiting today is known as Sandahiru Seya. This Sandahiru Seya was built in 2020. Unlike just any other dagaba, Sandahiru Seya contains a wonderful entrance as you see in this footage. And if you go to places like Ruwanali Seya, Abhayagiriya, Jetwanarame and other dagabas, you will see only the stupa and a statue or something. But Sandahiru Seya hits different because there are many other wonderful creations surrounding Sandahiru Seya which are very important to us. As you enter, you will be welcomed with two massive golden lions. As you step in, you see the nature around it and it is fully white as you look everywhere. And it is not much crowded like the Ruwanali Seya once we visited before, but it still contains the historical value of 5 years and many traditional things that you have to see. The significance of this dagaba is that it is made with the blend of the ancient techniques mixed with the modern technology. So I've been to many dagabas like Anuradhapura, Ruwanali Seya, Jetwanarame and Abhayagiriya, and in each and every place you can't walk without your slippers because your feet will get burning. But in Sandahiru Seya, they have found a creative solution for that. The thing you see here, there are 5 holes right here and water will come out in separate time each and every day. So when your feet start burning, you just have to keep your feet right here, then the water will come out and your feet will stop burning. So that's a creative solution Sri Lankans had made to stop the burning from the heat. So I've been to many dagabas like Ruwanali Seya, Jetwanarame and Abhayagiriya, and if you want to watch those videos, you can watch them from the link in the description down below. So if you have watched these videos, I walked at least one round around the dagaba in each and every video, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So Sandahiru Seya contains a great surrounding around it, so I hope walking around Sandahiru Seya would be a great experience. So let's begin. So I was walking along the path of Sandahiru Seya when I saw this. This is another bodhi. But if you can remember, when I visited Jayashree Mahabodhi and other bodhis, it was created on a high elevation on the ground. But here, because this bodhi contains a historical value, this is created in the same way but creatively. Even though Sandahiru Seya have a small history of 5 years, it is still valuable. When we talk about the history of the Sandahiru Seya, it was built in the same way of reprinting the history of Ruwanali Seya. In the history of Ruwanali Seya, it was built by King Dutugamunu and King Saddatissa. But now, the Sandahiru Seya was built in the same way by Mahinda Rajapaksa and his brother. So when we talk about this land, this is a majestic land, because this land is a land which King Dutugamunu and Elara fighted and reunited Sri Lanka. Just outside Sandahiru Seya lies another marvelous creation. So when we were visiting Ruwanali Seya, we saw a marvelous creation which is known as the elephant wall. So this is a type of elephant wall which is present in Sandahiru Seya. In here, the elephant wall is getting much creative because we can see this type of walls represents different stages of Buddha's life in the past lives. This is also another marvelous creation you will see near Sandahiru Seya. This is known as Dolos Mahepahana, or else in English, the traditional oil lamp. Everywhere you see a traditional oil lamp, it's made out of copper or a metal. But here at Sandahiru Seya, they have made the whole traditional oil lamp in granite stone. So I've been here before in the time when they were making. So let's see how they made with grinders and anything that they could use. So here at Sandahiru Seya, we see another marvelous creation, which is known as the Buduge or the Buddha's house. So this is one of the most creative Buddha house you will ever see in your lives. So let's step in and see. You will see monks chanting their prayers and many more. So let's walk in. So that's it for Sandahiru Seya. We visited many places like this. So in my next video, I will be traveling to Mirisavatia, which is also another valuable place. So let's begin the journey to Mirisavatia while concluding this video. Thank you all for staying.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily.